All right, guys. So you three are going to be doing my beta test for the new meal plan that we have. So if you haven't gotten one of these yet, you will. This is tailored to your body weight, so everything's customized for you. Male and female. So when you get this, first thing you'll notice is your kind of calculator here. It's pretty much color coded. So you'll have your proteins, your fats, your carbs, and then your veggies. And if you look down to the bottom here, let's see. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, the reverse. So you have 3 square meals and 2 shakes in a day. Those shakes can be any sort of whey, protein, or casein and water, and then your serving sizes and what you're going to have on your plate each meal. So if you see like right here, so this is would be my dinner. You can see that I have a protein, veggie, and 1 serving of fat. Now, this may vary a little bit depending on which one of these templates you get. It may be 0.5. So if it said 0.5, I will go up here, which these are all tallied to 1 serving. You would take whatever is written up here. So that's my veggies. We'll say like on your carbs. One cup of cooked brown rice. And well, that's not a good one for dinner. Let's go to fats. 2 tablespoons of peanut butter for your fat right here. So if you had a 0.5 right here instead of 1, you would have 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Hope that makes sense. This is exactly what you will be eating 7 days a week for 6 weeks. You can do any combination of this, but the rule of thumb is if it's not on this list, don't eat it, okay? Goal for this is to drop as much body fat over the next 6 weeks as you can. So something new we're rolling out, really trying to kind of, it's been very successful at some of our other locations. So trying to see how it's going to work with you guys. So pretty pumped about that. Okay, on the back, okay, this is an ultimate grocery helper. So what this does is it lists out acceptable proteins, fats, carbs, and veggies. And down here it kind of gives you an example of what that is and a list of what you want to make. So breakfast, lunch, and dinner. What I suggest is get your fats and your carbs first. So pick out like the top 3 things that you enjoy off that list and go buy it. Buy it bulk. I would go to Costco, just load up on it so that you've got it covered and you don't have to shop for that each week. Really the only things you're having to shop for are your proteins and your veggies. Veggies, you can eat as much of them in a day as you can. A good rule of thumb is trying to get a pound of veggies in a day between your 3 meals. Those also can be thrown in your shakes, just an FYI. So protein. So 1 serving of protein is, we'll just say 6 ounces on this particular template. So kind of rule of thumb is about 10 to 12 pounds of protein which should last you 7 days. So what I would do is pick out my 3 or 4 proteins that I have in here. So let's just say on your shopping list it says 3 pounds of chicken, 3 pounds of 99% lean turkey breast, 3 pounds of pork tenderloin, and 3 pounds of whitefish. So I know right there, if I just go buy 3 pounds of each of those, I have 12 pounds of protein. I'm covered for the week. That will that'll ensure you that you have it. Now from there, then you will cut it down into manageable portions and sizes, or not manageable. What's on the list? Duh, Blair. See, first time cutting this video. So yeah, you'll cut it down to 6-ounce portions or whatever portions is on your specific template. The meat is portioned out raw. So don't try to eat 6 ounces of cooked meat. That would be way filling. I can't even eat that much. So think 6 ounces portioned out raw. Now, if you don't have a scale, just measure out the palm of your hand. So this area right here, okay? So just this area right there. That's cut it up, lay it in your palm, boom, that should be about right, okay? All right, so as far as what you can and can't drink, if it's not on the list, don't drink it. But if it's calorie-free, it's okay with me. So that's kind of a little tagline that you can use. If it has 0 calories in it, you can drink it, okay? Spices, things like that, go by off the list. barbecue sauces, ranches, things like that. They all have calories in it. All of this is pre-portioned out for a certain amount of calories, so don't add anything to it. Go off of that list. We have mustard, soy sauce, lemon juice, balsamic vinegar, salt and pepper, any dry seasonings. Those are all included on there. So that's kind of the rule of thumb on that. Guys, that's a quick down and dirty on this. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, call me, text me. But remember, 7 days a week, 6 weeks, starting Monday. Don't eat anything off of this list. Cool. I believe in you guys. I know you're going to do it. Can't wait to see what the weight's going to be like, what your fat content is going to be like in 6 weeks. Thanks. Have a good one. Talk soon.